There is nothing like the smell of homemade pizza fresh from the oven, especially gluten-free. I'll show you how to make crust so good you'll forget all about takeout.
Hi, I'm Masha and this is Masha Bakes Gluten-Free. Today we are making gluten-free pizza that is everything you crave: crispy edges, soft middle, melty toppings, and none of that stuff that feels you leaving heavy or left out. Now, this little recipe has become a staple in our house and the one that definitely makes everyone run to the kitchen table. So let's get started on a crust.
I'm using 140 grams of tapioca flour plus oat and millet flours that I mill fresh at home, 120 grams of millet and 40 grams of oat. They give you the perfect chew without gluten. I'm also adding about 15 grams of psyllium husk powder. It acts like gluten and helps hold everything together. When I first went gluten-free, pizza was one of the hardest things to give up, but once I learned how to make my own, it felt like getting an old friend back. Since I'm using active dry yeast, I like to step away for a bit while the dough is rising. The kids were enjoying the summer outside, so I joined them for a little break. The bicycle here?
Yeah,
Okay.
to way to the end of the wall
Okay.
of the school.
Yes, sure. Back to our dough. Don't worry if it feels a little stickier or softer than a regular pizza dough. That's totally normal. It will bake beautifully. I'm splitting the dough into two so both of my boys can have their own pizza. You can keep it classic with tomato and mozzarella or pile on whatever you love. Today I'm using mozzarella cheese, leftover caglietta, zucchini, tomatoes, olives, and onions. This is where you make it yours. Part of the fun is letting everyone choose their own. This crust is gluten-free and also works great for dairy-free toppings too. I like to brush the edges with a little olive oil before baking. It helps them crisp up. About 15 minutes later, your kitchen will smell like the best pizzeria in town. Look at this crust. Crispy edges, soft center, and no one will believe it's gluten-free. You can prep the dough ahead and keep it covered. It makes dinner so much easier.
I want another piece.
So good. The kind of meal that makes you feel like everything's right with the world. Remember, there is nothing like the smell of homemade gluten-free pizza fresh from the oven. I hope this recipe shows you just how much better it can be than a takeout. Make it for your family, your friends, or just yourself. You deserve it. Don't forget to subscribe for more gluten-free recipes that taste like home. And if you bake this, let me know in the comments. I'd love to see your beautiful pizzas.
Just like that, the pizza is done. Bye.
Till the next one.